澳洲在台商務協會將舉辦年度澳洲日的晚宴，有超過800位的政商界人士去參加，總統賴清德冇出席。理事的時陣講到，期待未來會當進一步來推動甲澳洲的投資保障協定，解決雙重課稅問題。
Beyond supply chains and trade, we are also bound together by our shared convictions on regional peace and universal values. In the face of authoritarian military threats, Taiwan has remained calm and responsible. The World Health Assembly just ended a few days ago. So here, I would like to give a special thanks to EU for its support of Taiwan's international participation. Because health knows no borders. This solid support from Europe lets Taiwan know that we are not alone.
賴清德也講到，台灣要和澳洲佇咧半導體、AI， 也閣有無人機等等嘅關鍵產業加強合作，同齊來打造安全、多元、會當信任嘅民主供應鏈。因為澳洲商會理事長嘛指出，台灣得愛確保穩定嘅供電，已經準備好要來協助台灣嘅能源轉型甲高齡嘅醫療發展。